Tired of subtasks cluttering your Jira board with no obvious way to delete them? Here is exactly how to remove them in under a minute. I have tested this workflow on a real project, so you can follow along with confidence. We will open your project, find the subtask, and delete it with a simple confirmation. Let us go step by step. Start by logging into your Jira instance. This is the main dashboard where all your projects live. If you have multiple organizations, just make sure you are in the right one before moving forward.
Nothing worse than cleaning up the wrong board. From the left panel, select your project. You will see a list of all your active projects there. Click on the one that contains the subtask you need to get rid of. In my experience, people often overlook this step and wonder why they cannot find their subtasks later. Now, click on the task that contains the subtask. This is the parent issue. Think of it as the main container. If you just click randomly on the board, you might end up on the wrong ticket.
So, take a second to find the right parent task first. Look at the right side panel to see all subtasks. This panel appears automatically when you open a task that has subtasks attached. You should see them listed right there in a section called Subtasks. If you do not see this panel, check that your Jira view is set to the default layout. Click on the specific subtask you want to remove. This will open the subtask in its own detailed view. Now you are inside the subtask itself, not the parent task anymore. This is important because the delete option lives inside the subtask view. In the subtask view, find the 3 dots at the top right. That little icon is your gateway to all the actions you can take on this subtask. Click it to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Delete. And here is the really important part. This is where most people get stuck. When you click Delete, nothing happens immediately. Do not panic. Jira shows you a confirmation dialog instead. A confirmation dialog appears. Type Delete to proceed. You have to literally type the word delete in that box. This is Jira's way of making sure you really want to remove this subtask. It is a safety net, so you do not accidentally delete something important with one click. Finally, click the Delete button to confirm. Once you type the word delete, that button lights up and becomes clickable. Go ahead and click it. And just like that, the subtask is gone from your board. And that is it. From being stuck with unwanted subtasks cluttering your view, you can now confidently clean up your Jira board in seconds. Next time you need to delete a subtask, you will know exactly where to look.